This year's conference of the parties must recognize, even more than ever, that we cannot talk about climate change in isolation from the humanitarian tragedies unfolding around us. As we speak, the Palestinian people are facing an immediate threat to their lives and well-being. In Gaza, over 1.7 million Palestinians have been displaced from their homes. Tens of thousands have been injured or killed in a region already on the front lines of climate change. The massive destruction of war makes the environmental threats of water scarcity and food insecurity even more severe. In Gaza, where people are living with little clean water and the bare minimum of food supplies, climate threats magnify the devastation of war. So, my friends, as we meet here today to talk about inclusivity in climate response, let's be inclusive of the most vulnerable. Palestinians severely impacted by the war on Gaza, populations around the world affected by conflict and poverty, and refugee families and host communities in our region and beyond. To address the real dangers of food insecurity in Gaza, Jordan has brought together all international partners to coordinate on mechanisms for the sustainable provision of food supplies to the Strip.